My girlfriend was moaning so loud in bed last night. Apparently I was snoring so loud it was keeping her up and she couldn't get to sleep. So as an early Christmas present, she's got me some of this mouth tape, and I didn't have a clue what it was or whether it was safe, so I've done some research about it. And it turns out sleeping with your mouth open can cause us to have so many issues. But this one massively caught my eye. It basically reduces your oxygen intake, so you get poor sleep quality and low energy levels the following day. So if you wake up feeling like shit, I can almost guarantee this is the reason why. Scientific studies have also shown mouth breathing can change your facial structure. I asked her where she got it from, and it was this one off the TikTok shop. It literally costs like a tenner and you get a month's supply of mouth and nose tape. I was a little bit skeptical and I thought this stuff would suffocate me, but after using it I can't recommend it enough. So if you have poor sleep or you know somebody that's always snoring, I'd definitely put them onto this. It's a game changer. I'll try and link them below and you might be able to grab some.